Hello everyone, welcome to Siddhi Academics. I'm Amrita. I firmly believe that you should keep trying until you get it right. Let's start our trial for today. We have completed the first 5 questions from the logical reasoning section of 2022-23 grade 6 maths Olympiad question paper. We will solve next 5 questions in this video, and I will attach the link of the previous video in this particular video also. Somewhere on the top you can find it, and somewhere in the description also you'll be able to find it. And as I had mentioned earlier, I'll be traveling for this while because summer vacations are going on. So I might be posting sporadically, but still I'll ensure to complete the entire question paper and then go ahead and do something different. But if you want to watch all those and learn along with me, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, Siddhi Academics. Let's start with question number 6. Question number 6 says, find the number of squares formed in the given figure. So let's try to find out. First, we will count the small squares that are there. So one is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then we'll double. This side also same number of there. So 9 twos are 18. So 18 small squares are there. Then how many other squares are there? If we join these 4 squares, one square is formed like this. So this is 1, right? And this one, I'm talking about this one. This entire one is 1. This is 2. Okay, and so 2 like this. And then if you see, similarly here also we will get 2 squares like this, 1 and 2. So plus 2 here. Let me erase this whatever I have drawn so that we can see the middle squares that are there. Middle squares, let's see how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 squares are there. Okay, now let's erase all of this. Now let's see, if I take these 3 squares and 3 squares from here, then we will have one more square like this, like 1 here, and then 3 squares like this, 3 squares like this, 2 here, plus 2. So 18 plus 2 is 20, 20 plus 2 is 24, 22, 22 plus 4 is 26, 26 plus 2 is 28. So more than 25. Option D will be correct. There may be more number of squares, but I'm not going to check because option D does not, this is the correct option. I don't need to know the if there are any more number of squares in this particular figure. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Let's start with question number 7. Question number 7 says that which of the following options will complete the pattern in the given figure. Okay, so let's look at this figure here. Whatever pattern is here this side, if you see, this side is identical to this side. So this side will be identical to this side, means there will be 2 lines like this, and inside if you see here, there are horizontal lines here, right? So here also we should get horizontal lines within, right? And then this line, because here there are vertical lines, and exactly opposite we have got vertical lines here. So if there are horizontal lines here, there will be horizontal lines here as well. So according to that, option A is the correct answer. So for question number 7, option A. See, logical reasoning questions are, if you do it with a calm mind, you can do it, and then you are sure going to score if you do it correctly.
Let's start with question number 8. 3 different positions of a dice are shown below. So these are the positions. Which number is on the face opposite to the face having number 5? Options have been given to us. Let's open up the dice. This is the center or the top face of the dice, and these are the sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 5 faces we have drawn. 6th face, which is at the bottom, will be there. So if you see in the first 2 faces, 6 for 6, all the sides have been given. See here 5, 4 and 3, 1. Let's keep 6 on the top, because the side faces have numbers are given to us. One side is 3, one side is 1, the other side is 5, and this side is 4. Now bottom definitely, as per our understanding till now, it will be 2. This is the bottom face. I can't draw it here, I am showing it here. Okay, so means this is the number just opposite to 6. 6 is 2. So if you take bottom as 2 and if this comes to the top, then 3 and 1 sides will be there, right, according to the as per this figure here. So as per our understanding, the number which is opposite to 5 here is 3. So option will be C, 3. For question number 8, if you have any other option you think according to your reason, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to learn which is your option and why is it so. Okay, so let's move to the next question.
Let's start with question number 9. Question number 9 says that a square represents sheet with a pattern and a dotted line on it is given. Okay, this is the dotted line that is given. Select a figure from the options as to how the pattern would appear when the transparent sheet is folded along the dotted line. Okay, so the pattern, because this is a little small, so I drew it here. There is a dotted line here. This is square paper and transparent paper. So this rectangle contains a small circle and this triangle contains another small triangle. Then on the other side we have got a triangle which is diagrammatically opposite and a circle here. So if you fold the paper, you can imagine this circle, small circle, is of the same size as this circle. So these two will coincide, and this triangle, this vertex will coincide with the top vertex here. Okay, so these two triangles are identical. So they will, their vertices will coincide with each other if this paper is folded on this dotted line. So option A already ticked in this question by the kid who has done this answer sheet. So yeah, A is the answer for question number 9. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Let's do question number 10. Question number 10 says find the missing number if a certain rule is followed, either row wise or column wise. So let's look if there is a rule row wise. If no rule is found row wise, then we will look for column wise if there is a rule. Now if you check row wise, the numbers in the first row are 5, 8 and 9. Let's find the difference between 8 and 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. Okay. So if you do 3 multiplied by 3, what it will become? 9. 9 is the third number, right, in the first row. Now similarly, next row is 10, 15 and 25. If you subtract 15 with 10, what will you get? 5. You multiply 5 with 5, what will you get? 25. Okay, we can now see the pattern, confirm the pattern. First, we are subtracting the first two numbers. Whatever difference we are getting, we are multiplying it with itself. That is, we are squaring the number, that difference number. Then we are getting the third number in the row. Similarly, the last row has 7 and 17. So we'll do 17 minus 7. What it will be? 10. So 10 multiplied by 10 will give us 100. Which was the correct answer that way? Answer B. Okay, so for 10, question number 10, B is the correct option because it is 100. Okay,